Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. That's a little bit interesting. No, it is not Bumblebee again. No. It happens to be a 1972 Chevy Camaro RS. And boy, howdy. It looks brand new though, don't it? Looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Took out bubble wrap. Look at that shine. Look at that color. Look at that vibrance. You didn't know better. You would say, no, that's no, senor. There's no way that is an old car. It does not smell like stinky cheese. Instead, it shines like a brand new apple. That's what takes love, compassion, and devotion. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. And this is definitely a good use of black and yellow. Till next episode. Stay tuned.